Florida, a state in the southeast region of the USA. Top mega projects in Florida, the southeasternmost U.S. state. The construction projects are either newer additions, extensions, and renovations to existing infrastructures ranging from residential and commercial buildings to transportation. While some of the projects might be at an advanced stage of construction, others are at the threshold and some others are even at the planning stage. Brightline High-Speed Rail Project. This project mainly involves the construction of a high-speed intercity railway line dubbed Brightline between Miami and Orlando and an estimated cost of US $4 billion. The project is being implemented in phases, the first of which connects Miami with West Palm Beach through Fort Lauderdale, a distance of 378 kilometers. This phase became operational in January 2018. The second phase of the Brightline high-speed rail project, on the other hand, will extend the railway line from West Palm Beach to Orlando, a distance of approximately 273.5 kilometers. The construction of Phase 2 began in May 2019. There are plans for a third phase that will run between Orlando International Airport and Tampa, a distance of 136.7 kilometers. Trains on this line are expected to travel at a speed of 201.16 kilometers per hour. The entire high-speed intercity railway route will be served by 5 trains, namely Bright Green, Bright Orange, Bright Blue, Bright Red, and Bright Pink. Vertical Medical City Project. Vertical Medical City is a 3-tower, 2 million square foot project that is being developed by Pont Health Properties LLC. The project includes the construction of 3 towers, a 300 feet tall critical care tower, a 444 feet tall non-critical care tower, and the third building at around 440 feet. Nearly 40% of the development is earmarked for residential use, and another 40% is dedicated to the medical offices and research and development, while the remainder would be used for surgical and emergency facilities. In total, the Vertical Medical City project will include 955 apartments offering assisted living, memory care, stroke, and hospice services. Metropica Mixed-Use Complex Project. Located near Simon's Sawgrass Mills Mall and close to Interstates 75, 95, and 595, as well as the Florida Turnpike. Metropica Mixed-Use Complex is a 4 million square foot, transit-oriented development by Trillis Companies and the U.S. K Group Holdings, set to be South Florida's largest new mixed-use development. The project comprises the construction of 8 towers that include 2,250 residential units, 485 FT2 of retail space, 650 FT2 of Class A office space, and 2 hotels with 260 rooms, plus a 2.5-acre public park. The groundbreaking ceremony for the first tower of the Metropica mixed-use complex, dubbed One Metropica, and the building was topped off in March 2018. In mid-2020, the 28-story building with a total of 263 residences was commissioned. Tyndall Air Force Base Reconstruction Project. This is a project for the reconstruction of the former Tyndall Air Force Base, which is located 12 miles east of Panama City. The Tyndall Air Force Base Reconstruction Project has been split into 12 zones, with a top line between 3,000 and 3,500 contractors. The project could take approximately 5 to 7 years to be complete. Construction efforts are expected to peak in 2024. Magic City Innovation District Project is a large multi-building transit-oriented mixed-use mega-development proposed for Little Haiti in Miami. The project consists of 17 pieces of property across numerous blocks, largely between Northeast 2nd Avenue and Northeast 4th Court, with Northeast 59th Terrace serving as the southernmost cross street and Northeast 64th Terrace serving as the northernmost roadway. The new neighborhood, which is being built by a combination of Plaza Equity Partners, Metro One, and Lunar Rouge, will span 18 acres and will include 1,599 residential apartments, 941,800 square feet of office space, 432 hotel rooms, more than 200,000 square feet of retail space, as well as exhibition space. The projected Little Haiti station along Brightline train tracks is the focal point of the project as a whole. Miami World Center Project. Miami World Center is a large mixed-use development The project spans several blocks that occupy a total of approximately 25 acres of land in the Park West neighborhood of Miami, just north of downtown. When fully completed, the Miami World Center will have an approximately 600,000 square feet convention center and a 1,800-room hotel space under a 55-story building. There will also be residential towers, one of which, dubbed Miami World Center Signature Tower, may rise to the maximum 749 feet above sea level permitted in that area. The center will have copious street-level retail and large anchor tenant space. The project at large will connect with the Brightline higher-speed rail system's Miami Central Station. Riverfront Jacksonville Project. The Riverfront Jacksonville is a mixed-use, multi-phased scheme that is set to be developed in Jacksonville, a city located on the Atlantic coast of Florida, USA. It includes over 755 residential units, 330 FT2 of commercial space, a 208-room hotel and 200 FT2 of modern retail, dining and entertainment area. Around 3,000 parking lots and over 15 acres of public green spaces will also be provided. American Dream Mall Project. American Dream Mall is a proposed US $4 billion retail and entertainment complex that is set for construction in the Everglades region of Florida, near Everglades National Park and within Miami-Dade County's urban development boundary. The American Dream Mall project will build about double the size of the country's current biggest mall, the King of Prussia Mall in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, to become the new largest mall in the United States. It will resemble an amusement park rather than a standard, dumbbell-shaped mall, and include a water park with a massive indoor pool, an indoor ice rink, a ski slope, submarine rides, dozens of restaurants, and up to 1,200 businesses. In your opinion, which of these projects would be the best in Florida? Are there projects we did not mention? Share your opinion with us in the comments. And here we come to the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.